Are you tired of paying for text-to-speech services? Do you wish there was a high-quality free AI audio generator alternative? Well, your wish is about to come true. Today we're going to explore a game-changing tool that's free and incredibly easy to use. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. So, let's dive in. Introduction. ClipChamp, owned by Microsoft, is an online video editing tool that's designed to make video creation easy for everyone. But did you know it also has a powerful text-to-speech feature? That's right. With ClipChamp, you can generate lifelike voiceovers in over 80 different languages, choose from hundreds of natural-sounding voices, and even customize the pitch and pace of your AI voice. And the best part? It's all free. How to access ClipChamp? Just click on the description link and you will be on the ClipChamp website. Click the sign in button and log in with your Google account. ClipChamp is also available for including mobile or specifically for Windows 10 11. How to generate text-to-speech. Once you're logged in, click on the Create a New Video button. Go to the menu, choose Record and Create. Navigate to the Text-to-Speech feature, and click on Text-to-Speech. Now, under Language, you can choose Hindi, English, or any language that you want. Here choose your desired voice. You can hear this voice by clicking here.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
Next, enter the text you want to convert to speech. Remember, the clearer and simpler your text, the better the voiceover. Now click the preview button to listen to your voice.
In today's video, we're exploring the powerful text-to-speech feature of ClipChamp.
ClipChamp also allows you to customize the pitch and pace of your AI voice by clicking Advanced Settings. You can make it sound extra low or extra high and adjust the speed from 0.5x to 2x. Once you're happy with your settings, click on Save to create your AI voice. And it will show on the editing timeline. Export voice. To export your voice, click the Export button and choose any resolution. And your computer will download the MP4 file. Now, let's convert this audio MP4 file into an MP3 format. Simply go to the description link. Upload your file here. And then click Convert. After the processing, click here to download it. So, there you have it, a high-quality, free alternative to AI voice generator. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.